Yes, sir.
Once you finish, just say finished or you have taken. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the next page. I was talking. I have started to talk about next prize, and that is called the Gandhi Peace Prize. Gandhi Peace Prize. It's okay. This Gandhi Peace Prize is a very important thing which we consider the in fact, it is called International Gandhi Peace Prize. Actual name is the International Gandhi Peace Prize. I will write it here. International Gandhi Peace Prize, named after Mahatma Gandhi and awarded annually by government of India. Right? So government of India. Now, if we consider the Peace Prize, right? So it was started in 1999. Started in 95. It was started in 1995. So a tribute to the ideals espoused by Gandhi, right? Or as the ideals espoused by Gandhi, then the government of India has launched this particular international Gandhi Peace Prize, right, on the occasion of his 125th birth anniversary. Now, if you consider the annual, this is the annual award given to individuals and institutions. Given to individuals and institutions. For their contribution towards, this is very important, contribution towards social, economic, and political transformations. Through non-violence. Okay, I will write it here. Through, it is very important, through non-violence and by the methods of Gandhian, okay, and by other Gandhian methods. Fine. So I will show it later on through non-violence and other Gandhian methods which we can consider. Fine. Now, this particular award is given to, or rather it is open to all persons. What is mean by this? The open to all persons. So it is regardless of nationality, right? So your nationality doesn't matter. So across the world, you can be from any of the nation. You can be of any race, right? You can be of any creed. You can be of any gender. Again, your caste, creed, race, gender, nationality will never matter in getting this particular award, right? So who is giving actually this award? So there is a jury of this particular award, which consists of the Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister of India, then the leader of opposition of Lok Sabha, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. This is very important across the globe. Whatever may be awards you will see. So I haven't seen such kind of jury. So leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. The third one is very, very important. Chief Justice of India, CJI, Chief Justice of India. Then Speaker of Lok Sabha, Speaker of Lok Sabha, and one eminent person, So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 people altogether decide the recipient of this particular award. And as I said, so this award is always given each year. It is given away each year. So what in this the recipient get? So recipient receive in this case, right? So a plaque, a citation, and very important, a cash prize of 1 crore. 1 crore. So if we consider the cash prize, huge amount, right? So cash prize of 1 crore, a plaque and a citation is always conferred to the recipient of this particular award. So if we consider the recipient, how it is being selected. So for that, ordinarily the proposals are coming from the persons who are invited to nominate, right? So that is a case which we can consider. So the for the I think the price which we can consider, right? So particular award, the achievements in last 10 years of that particular year, right? Which is being provided, right? So that is the most important thing, whenever you want to be consider yourself for this particular award, and there must be a significance that has not uh, that should be always significant, or the task or the work of last 10 years, which is very important as far as this particular thing is concerned. So till then, or till now, total 17 awardees have been awarded, or the award is being conferred to all these, totally the 7 different recipients. So the recipients are from, no doubt, India, from Japan, they are from South Africa, they are from United States, they are from Czech Republic, they are from United Kingdom, from Bangladesh, from Germany, from Sri Lanka, and from Tanzania. So these are different people or the recipients who got awarded this particular prize. So as I said, it was started in 1995. So first was given, so the first one is given to the, in 1995, to the Julius Nyerere. He is from Tanzania. So he was a Tanzanian politician who served as the leader of Tanzania, and from 1960 to 1985. So his work was quite recognizable, and for that he was being conferred by this particular thing. So if we consider the Sarvodaya Shramdan movement run in Sri Lanka by A.T. Ariyaratne, so for that particular task or the work, he got awarded with this particular award, which we can consider, right? Then the German person called Gerhard Fischer. So basically, he is a diplomat, and his work for against the leprosy and polio was recognized, and for that he was awarded with the International Gandhi Peace Award. From South Africa, Nelson Mandela was there. From India, Ramakrishna Baba Amte is there. Ramakrishna Mission is there. From Bangladesh, the Grameen Bank is there. Again, from India, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is there. We can have here ISRO, our most important organization. Then Akshay Patra's Foundation. So this Akshay Patra's Foundation is a non-profit organization in India which runs the school lunch program, and every day almost 19 lakh lunches are being provided by sorry, this Akshay Patra Foundation. So it is also the recipient of this particular award. And very recent in 2018, the award is being conferred to Evei Sasakawa from Japan for to eradication of leprosy, eradication of leprosy across India and the world. And for that purpose, for this notable task of work, he had been conferred with this particular award. So this is about the Gandhi Peace Prize. I want to tell one more thing, which is very important and closely related to this particular award, is that here, if you consider the, let's say, the same name of the prize, or the same name of, let's say, the Gandhi Peace, P E A C, Gandhi Peace. So here I have written prize. Instead of that prize, if I write award, then what will happen? So because of this word award, it becomes different award, and it is being conferred by USA. So they have started in 1960 this particular award. So in order to promote the enduring peace to the individuals for contributions made in the promotion of international peace and goodwill, USA has started in 1960 this particular award only to honor the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, right? But as such, they have no contact, or there is no relationship in between this award or any of the person from the Gandhian family, or let's say India. And this is being awarded every year, right? So that is the difference. So whenever you will say Gandhi Peace Prize, that is from India. But if you say Gandhi Peace Award, it becomes an award from USA. That is difference between these two words that you should always keep in mind, right? So it is about these two different awards, right? So first you can have okay, its structure is like I don't know about the cash prize how much it is, but there is a cash prize and medallion. On that medallion, Gandhiji's I think while running charkha is being embossed on that particular, let's say, medallion. So that is the structure of that particular award, which we can call the Gandhi Peace Award. It is regarded as one of the very prestigious American peace prizes. Right? So that's what I can tell about the Gandhi Peace Award. Okay, anything else? Till then, those who wanted to take the screenshot of this particular page, they can, and then later on I will go back for another page. I think we will stop here. If your questions or queries are there, you are allowed to go ahead. Okay,
Sir,
let's finish for
sir,
this one. And yes,
hell, sir, juryचा meaning काय असतं?
jury is a committee which is always constituted to go through. In fact, critically go through the nominations. So nominations will be always coming to jury, and jury will individually analyze it, and then together also they will discuss on all these things, and they will unanimously decide who will be the award winner. And for that particular, there is a well-defined structure by these people. Okay, anything else? Okay, I will go for the earlier page. So already I'm on the second page for screenshot if anybody wants. See, I'm running you where you feel that this is boring or something like heavier. But there is no other
Sir,
from your
sir,
side. You have to be
sir, flag चा meaning काय असतं?
Sorry?
PLAQUE.
Black. Oh, that's block.
हाँ हाँ
So
sorry.
it's a like medallion, right? So you can consider
Okay.
something which is typically made up of metal, right?
हाँ.
So I can call it as an ornamental tablet, kind of thing.
Thanks, sir.
That you can always fix to the wall, right? In the commemoration of a person or any kind of event, right? Or to show gratitude to about that particular person, he will be always giving you. आपल्याला समजण्यासाठी त्याचा अर्थ मिळेल. Anything else? ऋषिकेश सर.
Yes, sir.
आहे का कोणते काही क्वेश्चन्स?
नहीं sir.
Okay, I think if there is no question, then I will quit this meeting. Just once check whether is there anyone. Okay, let's quit this meeting. We will finish it out. I will quit the meeting.
If anyone have doubts, then raise your hands. Otherwise, sir will quit. I think no one, sir.
Okay, fine. I will quit.
Okay, sir. I'm ending this session. Try to join at tomorrow 10:30 a.m. Try to join at tomorrow 10:30 a.m. There will be the first lecture is the science lecture. Tomorrow 10:30 a.m. is the science lecture. There is no lecture at 9 a.m. There is no lecture at 9 a.m.